The chip was hotter.
Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world. So, in this video, I have with me my cousin,
Reezy.
You can follow him on Instagram at
Reezy Roll.
I'll leave it here. And you have the original Nicole.
Hi guys, I'm back.
What is that?
Ready for this? We're ready for this.
So, guys, I am so nervous.
For what?
Because we're trying this.
Come on.
It is the spiciest gummy bear in the world. Okay, guys? And I'm super nervous. Like,
It's never too hot. Never too hot.
look how they secure it.
Okay guys, so you remember the chip challenge that we had? Listen, I underestimated that. So let's see what this gummy bear is gonna bring.
I just wanna.
Like a tiny baby something, you know, but listen, me now underestimate it like it last time, because you remember what happened to me.
Right. No, but you can't eat it yet. You have to wait.
So we need to sign a waiver or nothing.
No, see if you can handle the eat. Can you go a full 5 minutes without relief?
Without really.
So
Yeah.
who can count down?
Oh gosh.
5 minutes long, you know?
5 minutes.
And a second, you know?
5 minutes.
Ooh.
So you have to eat that.
So you got the
and then
stopwatch.
So after you eat also, okay, so I have to go put everything in my mouth, chew it,
And
and
then-
actually swallow?
Yes.
We don't-
Swallow. I swallow.
You know, swallow?
No, you just throw everything break down.
Eat swallow.
Achoo.
Just swallow this, your throat get knocked.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous, guys.
I'm going somewhere later now, so I can't manage. Listen.
When I get running a belly.
Just not drink the milk like the last time.
It don't smell hot. You see, like the chip, the last time you could
smells
smell the
hot,
heat.
though.
Like
Actually,
when you smell it, you're coughing, but it smells sweet.
It smell at me. I don't know what
I
you're
don't
talking
know what's up. We heard.
Well, we must get it good one then, people.
Evidently
There's
you have
no
had
good
enough spice in your life, man.
No, sir.
Alright, guys.
Alright, let's get into this.
Oh gosh,
I don't know what I get to myself.
Me girl, so jump over me.
Hello, we're going to watch her now because she always take one little nibble. She must say rat. She going to eat the entire thing this time. Oh no, watch her for me.
Alright, come on.
As a matter of fact, I'm now put it in my mouth until I see her do that.
Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
It's not hot, people. The chip hotter. This is not hot. The packy chip, that's
It's hot.
Nasty taste to it, you know? That's the problem.
when me I win this channel. This challenge is mine.
Give me 1 popsicle.
No, 5 minutes.
No! Please!
The chip is hotter. She's over exaggerating.
There are you copy.
Give me some napkin!
Guys, this is not hot.
Give me.
This
We're
is
winning,
nasty
people, we're
as hell.
winning. Woo! Well, guys, I guess I won. I'm the champion. I'm back. Woo! This was not hot like the chip. I won, guys. See, I'm the only one remaining. The last one standing, or rather sitting.
I see my tears.
I didn't want to listen as well. It's not that hot. Guys are over exaggerating. She's crying, people, like literally.
Oh gosh.
You got female.
Oh.
That was me last time.
Jafar!
They're dying.
Mommy.
That was a good, huh?
Bro.
Guys, guess who won?
Damn.
She actually ate it while she spit it.
Watch him.
That was me the last time, drinking the milk. What?
And you're tough saying it.
Oh,
She literally have bad people watching tears. She read right as
They can't even record. No.
It kind of lick right as well. You want some brown sugar?
I'm gonna do this again.
We heard that the last time with the chip. No, when you go watch it.
No, that's correct.
The packet chip. I think this is the hottest. It reach your heart, people. It reach your heart.
No.
How does it feel? No, people open our eyes. She really a bad.
Skip from scale 1 to 10.
100,000.
This is the utter.
I put it, the chips.
No.
I probably because Marla did taste one look at that chip and really get it out his jaw and I'm more like,
No.
is this cold?
Jafar.
like the reason why this is hot.
The mother cry, people.
This shit actually stay in your throat. You know?
It stay right here, wherever you're chewing.
And it's disgusting. Like it's not that hot, it just have a disgusting taste. Like that jerk chicken, you know. Like, guys, if you ever go to Buffalo Wild Wings, you get the Caribbean jerk. It has that same disgusting taste.
Annie, I should have made you do the one, yeah. Yeah?
Oh god.
So I could have redeemed myself.
Yes, I would have knocked this one.
Miss easily.
I'll probably not eat the second one.
Don't say so. Probably let's do the second. Oh god.
This is like the first time to actually participate in a
Hello. So that's someone not putting on my mouth to actually do
you
it.
know what I mean? Yes, makes you go
How does
through
it feel? Yes.
That's what I got you to it.
Must swallow.
Ah! Should I chew?
I didn't chew. No, I'm chew it and then swallow. Make a not swallow it all up. No, so look, look at that. No, on the fan on the AC. This tastes nice. What is that? Oh, try.
Mango one.
Then I'm a belly now to blow over.
Can I piece of napkin?
You okay, darling? Come, Jeffrey, come try it.
No.
Let me see if he's gonna
No.
have the same thing.
No. No, cool. Alright.
You good? You're speechless, people. Speechless. Speechless. We never hear Marla speechless before.
That's probably the first time she really participated in our
First time she actually do it, yes.
Proud of you.
Shut up. Guys, I'm not doing no more challenge.
So she said the last time we did chip, no. Well, this time I made sure she tastes this. How do you feel?
Why you so like a pig?
Let me not tell her it's hot enough, people. Like lick right just so. You see where right land? And then you go down to the heart. And then you go to the belly.
And then it settles.
And then it settles. Can you imagine it come to the
God bless her.
So this time, Aston and you, all about it, not it can't so hot. Turns out it was.
You want some brown sugar?
You want something called no more still on fire.
No. But no want the challenge. I mean, you want to do it enough people. It's not that bad, guys. I nominate. Who do you nominate?
Eat one of her. Another one.
Well, I'm not hungry. Come, Jafar, you. I nominate Jafar, guys.
Jafar nominates himself.
I love pepper, guys.
Me tongue still left on fire.
You want brown sugar? I'm gonna get you brown sugar.
No, not help it. Me can't.
No, Marla.
No, she finally tasted it. Yes.
Oh my god.
No.
All the other time she chicken out. Are they meant to come back?
Brown sugar is the best option.
What?
Fat? You want some?
Oh yeah.
Hi guys.
Bella, I'm dying.
One more?
Guys are still digging on this.
Things not to do. I hope.
Okay, guys, keep videoing. I don't want to see this.
You guys can come back now.
Can we do the outro? Okay, the milk work.
Okay. You can come back in now.
Let's see how long it work for though. Never ever do this challenge. This is stupid.
The Lil Nitro challenge, guys. Like it said, it's little.
It's a little deadly challenge. Look here.
It ain't that bad, guys.
I feel like I got faint.
The chip was a challenge.
You feel like me got
the
faint.
man put this, the X.
I feel like I got faint. I have a headache.
Good thing you're not going anywhere. Her nose is running. Her eyes like literal tears no longer eyes. Jafar, I couldn't believe it.
Jafar, why you want to do the challenge?
You think I keep paying for her?
I am.
And she not swallow anything or she spit it out?
My head hurt me. Guys.
No, is she can try to go home? Or Jafar is in the job?
I'm not in the video, but I stand and watch me.
Let's go to the bathroom. Aston, you okay there? He need the scissors.
Oh my gosh.
You sure you need help again? You sure? Guys, this is the effect. He's in the bathroom. He won't come out. Hello, you're alive in there. Need a scissors. Let's see what he'll look like when he comes out. If he's gonna transform into something
Like a little
nitro.
This is not funny at all. This is deadly. I would not recommend this challenge. What do you think, Jafar?
I'm not trying it. I'm sorry, I don't pepper food. That's not really. It's not really my thing. You know what I mean? Just leave it up to her and the experts to, you know what I mean? Handle the pain and deal with it, because we ain't got time for that, unfortunately.
So this is the end of the video. And the last words.
Well,
like
it's
him
still
not gonna
there in my
make it,
belly.
guys.
Honestly. This is not it.
Oh, that's
not
some
it.
talk for what?
Aston with a sword because you need sign no waiver.
Oh, God.
Any medical issues, bring it to yes.
We Jamaicans.
Oh,
But
That
anyway,
guys, but yeah.
yeah, it wasn't
This
that
you
bad.
can.
it wasn't that bad.
Hello, in just a quarter bathroom, we don't know what he did in there.
Yeah. For how long? 20 minutes.
I've been trying to get this thing out of my system. What do you expect?
Did it come out?
Still there. You know what I'm weird.
But guys, yeah, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright guys, alright.
Team Marla B. Well, no, it
See
was me.
Marla in the comments, cause guys, look, I almost died for y'all. Okay.
it, guys. You must finally make sure you
Remember,
try it.
follow me on Instagram, alright?
On the door, follow me.
R-E-E-Z-Y.
If I don't know you, I'm not gonna accept it.
O-H-O-E, alright?
All right, peace out, guys. Love y'all. Bye.
Bye.